this episode, Jess gets excited about a toilet. We try out this geocaching thing.
Oh, I wanted to find it!
I found it! And we stay in a decommissioned lunatic asylum.
Looks so eerie. Alright, so I just finished my latest book.
Me too.
And Jess just finished her latest book.
We've got new shoots. Oh my gosh, look at it now!
It's getting loose from all the off-roading we've done. Just got to tighten her up a bit.
Something exciting is happening. We're about to set up our toilet.
This is where you put the loo paper. This is where you do wheeze and poos. I have no idea how it works. So.
And that's where it's going to live. No more walking all the way over there in the middle of the night to go to the toilet. Hasn't been used yet.
Who's going to christen it?
Me, of course.
Oh. Do I even get to use it?
This is pretty much just for me. I'm so excited.
Is it awkward if I sit here? So today, I'm out in an old insane asylum and I'm helping a couple of young blokes finish off an escape room that they're opening up this week. Mayday escape rooms. And we're gonna get a free run through for it, hopefully. So, spent the day helping these guys at Mayday escape rooms. They're gonna open up soon. Getting their foyer finished.
Yeah, been closed for a while now, 7 months of the year nearly, so it'll be great to be open again. So definitely appreciate the help in getting that one over the line.
That's alright.
Yeah, I need to come back and do our escape room.
Yes, can't wait. So we try and find the quietest places we can for Jess to work. Today, we have an excavator ripping down a building about 50 meters away, and we're next to a pool where they're doing construction work and all the lawn maintenance as well. And then there's a bunch of kids doing school sport, playing tennis. So yeah, not as quiet as we thought it would be. The work week's over. Pretty wild day.
Today was the worst day ever.
So we're trying this new thing called geocaching. It's this app. It's like a treasure hunt. Now there's one in this park somewhere, and the hint is swag. We reckon it's in one of these trees somewhere.
It's kind of gross. I don't want to touch anything, but I found the first geocache.
Yeah. So there'll be like a notepad with people's names on them and when they found it. Oh, there's been a few this year.
There's just lots of random stuff.
So people have added their own little trinkets.
So we put our details in and put it back for the next people to find.
Oh, we've just spoiled it for anyone.
Oh yeah, we probably shouldn't post this. We are not in Myrtleford. Hand in the head. Anything in there?
His head's empty. Kind of like some people I know.
We are geocaching.
Who should not be annoyed?
Is that on this one?
Yeah.
Who should not be annoyed?
Don't annoy the crazy lady.
Ah, the crazy lady, yeah. The hand under the coffee belongs to
Oh, there's a tiny Mona Lisa there.
Mona Lisa.
Cool. What colour is the background of the fish tile?
Blue! Purple? Blue. Purple.
Blue.
Purple.
That's blue.
Oh, I think it's purple.
That is the bluest thing.
That's purple for sure.
So 4 for blue.
No, it's purple. Maybe it's blue, actually. Not impressed.
How many handbags are there?
Ooh, street food.
So you asked for a quiet spot in a quiet park so Jess can work, and you got a 15-ton excavator ripping down the old amenities block for 3 days.
Yesterday was the worst day ever trying to work. I had that going, I had next door doing maintenance with a big sniffer right next to the van.
Found it.
Where are you?
There it is.
Oh, I wanted to find it.
I found it.
Nice. Good spotting. Ew.
It's got water in it.
Ooh, gross. Stealthy because this was a really high muggle area.
So we've made our way to China. It's a long trip, but we got here in the end. You're a bit jet lagged, aren't you?
Very. So just deciphered some Chinese characters and found our coordinates for this geocache, and Shaun
I think I found it.
thinks he's found it.
This looks very sus, this pile of rocks right here. I can see something underneath it.
Cool.
That's a cool container.
Awesome.
Wow, lots of stuff in there.
Is this the...
This is a trackable thing. Oh, there's a massive coin. Pirate Treasure Geocoin. Released 2009.
Wow.
So we got another spot right by the river.
Do you like my pretty bowl of yogurt?
Yeah. Go on.
It's really cold though.
Oh, I know.
Oh, it's icy.
wants to catch the drone. Just having a beer with old mate. Pretty steep old road. Alright, so today is our, I think, 4th day here. This is our little spot by the river, beautiful little campground, a place called Porepunkah in the high country of Victoria. So a little setup, pretty well established right now, even got the hangboard up here. So yeah, 4th day here, unpowered site, no water, and Jess is starting her 3 days of work. Yay. It's a little nerve-wracking when you don't have 240 volt and you rely on a laptop, and the caravan doesn't have any solar panels or inverters or battery chargers or anything. It has a very small 12 volt battery which will not suffice. Charging a couple of things for a work off the inverter, or we have a 12 volt charger for a laptop, and the solar panel is starting to get some sun. That should suffice for the next 3 days, hopefully. Your throne is assembled, my love.
Thank you. You can't see me, can you?
Not from here. They can from here.
I was just about to pull my pants down.
Time to go for a swim. The water is, I'm going to guess, about 8 degrees Celsius. It's from the mountains. It's bloody freezing, but it's the best way to cool off. During Jess's work days, I taught myself how to use the fusion function of the video editing software I use to create some simple animations that will be used in our episodes. After a few days, I was able to make simple things like this.
So it's a Monday in Bright, and we are celebrating almost 5 months of living in Victoria, starting off in the gazebo and then living in the van. And it's so exciting because we're going to be back in New South Wales in 1 week.
But we're not going straight home. We're actually going to a mate's 40th in the Blue Mountains, and it's a surprise. He doesn't know that we'll be back, so it's really exciting. So yeah, that's what's coming up.
So excited to surprise you, Ben.
G'day. Today's a good day. I've only had 2 things break. The button on my torch broke, so I've just filled it up with silicone. Broke off as well. Easy fix, got spares. So it's a good day. I think she just finished work, which means we can pack up and go soon. This is his Christmas setup. Very elaborate.
Good evening, detectives. Thank you for coming at such short notice. We each come highly recommended by the Commissioner himself.
This place is beautiful.
Would you like to make your way upstairs and go away, please?
We're in the room.
What does that mean? Leads on 3. I still don't know what this is. Records.
Mayday Hills is a decommissioned lunatic asylum and was one of the largest psychiatric hospitals in Victoria. They have been declared architecturally significant for the extensive complex of Italian-style asylum buildings dating back from the 1860s. At its peak of operation, Mayday Hills consisted of 67 buildings and was home to over 1,200 patients and 500 staff. The hospital closed in 1998 after 128 years of operation.
It's the morning, and it's the first time we've slept with the top of the van down. We've hit our heads about 10 times. We just stayed in the asylum last night. And probably the first and only time we'll stay overnight and sleep at an old asylum.
Stay primed for our next episode, where we see more of historic Beechworth. It's like going back in time, isn't it? Count down the final days until the border opens by Lake Hume. How's this spot? Under the tree, by this beautiful lake. And we end up in the newspaper, followed by an exciting prospect of an interview for the TV show The Project.